Hi, welcome to the Audacity multi-track tutorial. What I'm going to show you is how to mix multiple tracks into one sound project. There are basically two ways to achieve that. First is to record multiple tracks and mix them together, and the second one is to use existing audio files stored in your computer. I'm going to show you the mixed way of those two that I mentioned. So first of all, I'm going to start with recording one track. I'm going to hit the record button here and say a few words so that we have something to work with. That should be enough, so I'm going to stop that. And we already have our first track with my voice. I already have a few audio files that I want to use in the project saved in my computer, so I'm going to go to File, Import, Audio, and simply select any audio file that I have in my computer and open it. Now you can see that we have two tracks going simultaneously. I'm going to zoom it in a little bit because the second track is a lot longer than the first one, so that we can see it properly. Here are our two tracks. If I'm going to play it now, it's going to play the whole project, so my voice together with the other track that I imported. And say a few words so that you can hear some waterfalls going on in the background. I have another file that I want to import, so again, File, Import, Audio, and select another file. And now I have three tracks that I want to work with. And again, if I play it all together, it should be my voice, water, so that we have something to work with. And there are some seagulls in the background which you can hear. There is a very useful tool which you can use while mixing tracks, and that's the time shift tool. If I'm going to click on this icon here, time shift tool, it's going to enable me to move the tracks on the timeline wherever I want them to start or to be heard. So if I'm going to leave the water from the beginning, I'm going to shift a little bit just by clicking and dragging my voice. So we will first hear a little piece of water going on, and then my voice will appear, and the seagulls will start somewhere after me, let's say. So this way you can rearrange the tracks to the positions on the timeline where exactly you want them to start playing. You can play around with it. You can mute one track, two tracks, and hear only what you want to hear, and apply basically any effect or any function that Audacity has to offer. In the end, it is important to export, not only to save as a project, but to export the whole thing. So I'm going to give export, choose if I want it to be saved as the WAV or any other format. So let's leave it waves. Name it compilation. Select the place in my computer, and here it goes. You have saved your first audio compilation. Congratulations!